This is Faiz Mahmood. Today we will learn future indefinite tense. This is the use of future indefinite tense. It is used to denote pure future, the action which happens in future. I shall abide by the laws of the society. In future, I will do this. It denotes something which a person commits or wants to do in the coming time or future. He will act nobly in future, means his behavior will be according to the norms and conditions set by the society or set by the ethics. Will you stifle yourself? Will you stifle yourself? It's a future action. Actions which are going to happen in future, they are represented by future indefinite tense. It will not rain tomorrow. It will not. It's hypothesis or is based on some scientific reason. Future indefinite is also used in complex sentences where the principal clause is to be in future indefinite, principal clause, future indefinite, and verb or the subordinate clause should be in present simple because two future cannot come in a single sentence. In a same sentence, we cannot use two futures. It is a holiday tomorrow. I shall go to Murray. Don't confuse that the first one as a principal clause. Principal clause is a clause where main action has been given. I shall go to Murray. This is the main action and having a main verb. There is no class today. We shall play cricket. This is the principal clause. The principal clause should be in future indefinite when we join two tenses. The principal clause should be in future indefinite and the subordinate clause should be in present simple. It is a rest day. They will go for shopping. This is will go for shopping main verb. It contains a main verb, so it is a principal clause and principal clause is in future. The other one is subordinate clause and it is in present indefinite. Now, future indefinite is also used in conditional sentences. In conditional sentences, the condition part should be in present simple, the part where condition has been given. The second part be in future simple. This is the condition. If it rains, conditions. If it rains, if contains a condition, I will not come to watch the match. This is the reason. This is the reason, and this is the result of the reason. The part of the sentence where reason has been given, where condition has been laid down, that should be in present simple. The second part should be in future simple. If I go to Lahore, this is a supposition. If I go to Lahore, probability, he may go or he may not go. I will bring a watch for you. If you go on cheating, you will lose in the end. So the sentence which begins with if is the conditional part. It should be in present simple. The second part where the result has been given, what would happen in that case if this condition fulfills, what would happen in that case, that part should be in future simple. So this is the future indefinite tense. Now we will make what we use that shows that this is future indefinite tense. We use will, first form of the verb, shall, and first form of the verb. We use shall with I and we, and with all other pronouns and nouns we use will. He will complete his work. And to make negative, he Use not after will. He will not complete his work. And to make interrogative, we put this helping verb before the subject or at the start of the sentence. Will he complete his work? She will serve the nation sincerely. And to make negative, will not serve the nation sincerely. And to make interrogative, will she serve the nation sincerely? They will play hide and seek during the picnic. They will not play hide and seek during the picnic. Will they play hide and seek during the picnic? See the negative and interrogative, how we are making these sentences, how we are constructing these sentences. I shall become a pilot one day. I shall not become a pilot one day. Shall I become a pilot one day? So these are the things, these are the rules through which we make simple sentence, negative sentence, and interrogative sentence. This is all for today with another lecture on correct use of tenses. I will be here. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Faiz Mahmood English Class. Thank you very much.